So you are planning a trip to Austria and wondering, is Vienna worth visiting? Well, the short answer is yes. I visited on a solo trip to Vienna, and I have to say it is one of the prettiest cities I've visited in Europe so far. Let's explore some of the reasons you'll love visiting Vienna and why it is worth visiting. Vienna is the capital of Austria, located in the east of the country on the banks of the mighty river Danube. It's a great city to visit. Despite its size, Vienna retains the feel of a large town. Part of that is down to the numerous parks, woodland, outlying hills, and other open and green spaces. The city has excellent public services, particularly public transport, and a wide range of leisure and cultural activities. Like many of the great European cities, you can simply wander around the streets and enjoy the mix of past architectural eras such as Baroque townhouses, stunning shop fronts, and neo-Gothic municipal offices. Vienna's history dates back centuries with magnificent palaces, churches, and buildings steeped in history. The city has everything you could wish for, making it impossible ever to get bored. It is beautiful and clean. It has wonderful architecture and a lively cultural scene. It is a fantastic city for sightseeing, shopping, and dining. There are so many other things to do in Vienna, and a day wasn't enough for me to explore everything I would have liked to. I did, however, get to stroll through the city center and see some stunning buildings. Some to-go sites in Vienna also includes St. Stephen's Cathedral. The current Romanesque and Gothic form of the cathedral, seen today in the Stephansplatz, was largely initiated by Duke Rudolf IV and stands on the ruins of two earlier churches, the first a parish church consecrated in 1147. The most important religious building in Vienna, St. Stephen's Cathedral, has borne witness to many important events in Habsburg and Austrian history and has, with its multicolored tile roof, become one of the city's most recognizable symbols. It has 256 stairs from the top to the bottom. Built of limestone, the cathedral is 107 meters long, 40 meters wide, and 136 meters tall at its highest point. Inside the cathedral are the tombs of Prince Eugen of Savoy, commander of the imperial forces during the War of the Spanish Succession, in the Chapel of the Cross, and of Frederick III, Holy Roman Emperor, under whose reign the Diocese of Vienna was canonically erected on 18th January 1469 in the Apostles' Choir. Based on my experience, Vienna is a very walkable city. Just walking around Vienna feels like you are in a magical, special place. However, you can still get around quickly by using public transport, which includes buses, trains, trams, and subways. Most of the attractions in Vienna are located in the city center. A few meters walk from the central train station is the Belvedere Palace. It is a castle complex built by Johann Lucas von Hildebrandt between 1714 and 1723 for Prince Eugen of Savoy. The two castle buildings today house the collections of the Belvedere Austrian Gallery Belvedere and rooms for temporary exhibitions. The garden is the oldest part of the complex. The facility has been open to the public since 1780. I believe that there's plenty to do in Vienna, no matter what season you want to visit, since there are so many wonderful cafes and museums. With all the outdoor spaces, there will be no doubt it is incredibly beautiful in summer. Just outside of the city, there are some absolutely stunning walks you can do. Vienna boasts beautiful parks and gardens, providing tranquil retreats amidst the bustling city. The Schönbrunn Palace Gardens is some of the popular spots for leisurely strolls and picnics. These gardens spaces make the city feel smaller and more calm, as well as provide plenty of beautiful places to relax while on a trip for free. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, choose